Here is a beginner-level IT manager quiz based on vendor and stakeholder management, team leadership and talent management, and cloud and data management. Let's go. Question 1. What is the primary objective of vendor management in IT? A. Ensuring that vendors deliver value and meet contractual agreements. B. Reducing IT staff workload. C. Replacing internal IT teams with third-party vendors. And D. Avoiding vendor negotiations. Answer A. Ensuring that vendors deliver value and meet contractual agreements. Question 2. A service level agreement SLA defines A. A vendor's marketing strategy. B. The expected service levels and performance standards agreed upon between a business and a vendor. C. The number of IT vendors a company can work with. And D. The financial obligations of IT stakeholders. Answer B. The expected service levels and performance standards agreed upon between a business and a vendor. Question 3. Who are stakeholders in an IT project? A. Only the IT team members. B. Only the IT vendors providing services. C. Individuals or groups impacted by the IT project, including clients, employees, and vendors. And D. Only external investors. Answer C. Individuals or groups impacted by the IT project, including clients, employees, and vendors. Question 4. Which approach is most effective when managing multiple IT vendors? A. Letting each vendor operate independently without oversight. B. Regularly monitoring performance and aligning vendors with business goals. C. Selecting only one vendor for all IT needs. And D. Signing contracts without defined deliverables. Answer B. Regularly monitoring performance and aligning vendors with business goals. Question 5. Why is stakeholder communication important in IT project management? A. To increase the project budget. B. To slow down the decision-making process. C. To reduce stakeholder involvement. And D. To ensure alignment of project expectations, minimize risks, and improve decision-making. Answer D. To ensure alignment of project expectations, minimize risks, and improve decision-making. Question 6. What is a key characteristic of an effective IT leader? A. Micromanaging team members. B. Encouraging collaboration and problem-solving. C. Avoiding communication with the team. And D. Ignoring employee concerns. Answer B. Encouraging collaboration and problem-solving. Question 7. What is the purpose of an IT skills assessment for team members? A. To determine the effectiveness of their salaries. B. To replace employees with vendors. C. To identify skill gaps and training needs for professional development. And D. To reduce project budgets. Answer C. To identify skill gaps and training needs for professional development. Question 8. Which leadership style is most effective for an IT manager? A. Autocratic. B. Democratic. C. Avoidant. And D. Disruptive. Answer B. democratic? Question 9. Which of the following is an essential aspect of team motivation in IT? A. Recognizing team achievements and encouraging professional growth. B. Only assigning repetitive tasks. C. Avoiding performance evaluations. And D. Limiting communication between team members. Answer A. Recognizing team achievements and encouraging professional growth. Question 10. What is the best approach for handling IT team conflicts? A. Ignoring conflicts and hoping they resolve themselves. B. Encouraging open discussions and mediation to resolve issues. C. Immediately firing the team members involved. And D. Assigning blame to one party without investigation. Answer B. Encouraging open discussions and mediation to resolve issues. Congratulations on completing the first 10 questions. Let's move ahead. Question 11. Which cloud computing model provides both computing resources and software development platforms? A. IaaS, Infrastructure as a Service. B. DaaS, Desktop as a Service. C. SaaS, Software as a Service. And D. PaaS, Platform as a Service. Answer D. PaaS, Platform as a Service. Question 12. Which of the following is not a benefit of cloud computing? A. Scalability. B. Automatic software updates. C. High maintenance costs for local servers. And D. Remote accessibility. Answer C. High maintenance costs for local servers. Question 13. What is the primary function of cloud storage in IT management? A. To provide unlimited free software licenses. B. To store and back up data securely while enabling remote access. C. To replace all hardware infrastructure. And D. To make data less accessible. Answer B. To store and back up data securely while enabling remote access. Question 14. Which cloud deployment model is most secure for an organization with strict data control requirements? A. Public cloud. B. Community cloud. C. Hybrid cloud. And D. Private cloud. Answer D. Private cloud. Question 15. Which of the following is an important consideration in data management? A. Ignoring data security concerns. B. Implementing proper backup and disaster recovery strategies. C. Deleting backups regularly. And D. Storing all data in one location without redundancy. Answer B. Implementing proper backup and disaster recovery strategies. Question 16. A company wants to use multiple cloud services from different providers to optimize costs and performance. This approach is called A. Multi-cloud strategy, B. Hybrid cloud, C. Private cloud, and D. Edge computing. Answer A. Multi-cloud strategy. Question 17. What is the purpose of data encryption in cloud computing? A. To increase the cost of cloud storage. B. To make files larger for better storage. C. To slow down network speeds. And D. To prevent unauthorized access by securing data during storage and transmission. D. To prevent unauthorized access by securing data during storage and transmission. Question 18. Which cloud service model provides users with access to applications via a web browser without requiring installation? A. IaaS, B. PaaS, C. SaaS, and D. DaaS. Answer C. SaaS. Question 19. What is the key benefit of a hybrid cloud strategy? A. It limits access to data. B. It combines the benefits of both public and private clouds for flexibility and security. C. It replaces all IT staff with cloud providers. And D. It reduces the need for cybersecurity. Answer B. It combines the benefits of both public and private clouds for flexibility and security. Question 20. What does Disaster Recovery as a Service, DRaaS, provide? A. A cloud-based backup and recovery solution in case of data loss or system failure. B. A method for deleting all stored data after a project ends. C. An advanced firewall solution. And D. A software licensing service. Answer A. A cloud-based backup and recovery solution in case of data loss or system failure. How many did you get right? Comment below and subscribe for more.